I've even spoken to people who believe that they created the coronavirus. Hi guys, my name is Akshay and I am a manifestation coach. So when you guys learn that imagination creates reality and imagination is the only causation of everything that is happening in your life, the first thing that many of the newbies in the manifestation community are doing is that they begin to blame themselves for everything bad that has ever happened in the world. They begin to blame themselves for all the traumatic events that happened in their past. Maybe they had a problem with their mom or with a family member, or maybe they encountered a really traumatic experience, maybe an accident or something, an emotionally draining experience in their life. Maybe it was a very nasty experience with a specific person. And so what they start doing is that they start blaming themselves for everything bad that is happening in the world. I've even spoken to people who believe that they created the coronavirus. By that logic, Neville Goddard created World War I and World War II and everything bad that happened in the world after that until the day he lived. He was born in 1905 and he died in 1973. And if his imagination was the only causation, then it means that he should be held responsible for every death from 1905 to 1973 for both the world wars, which collectively killed more than 100 million people. For every molestation, for every crime that ever happened in the world, for every rape, for every sexual assault, for every murder, everything, every robbery, everything bad that ever happened in the world, Neville needs to be blamed for it. That is not how this works. When he means that imagination creates reality, what that means is that now you know that your thoughts create your life. You have the option of thinking, investing your energy in good thoughts that are beneficial for you, or constantly replaying your bad experiences, constantly giving power to your negative beliefs, your negative thoughts. The choice is basically yours. It's up to you what you do with this information. Imagination creates reality. It can be interpreted as, yes, I have the power to change my life and get what I want, or it means that, oh, I created all this nonsense in the world. What that does is that doesn't benefit you. Blaming yourself doesn't benefit you one bit. What it does, it makes you land again and again in the feeling of blame, guilt. And what that does is that creates more negative experiences, more experiences which cause you to feel blamed and guilty. So this is really stupid. You did not create the COVID situation in the world. You have to understand that Neville himself has a very famous quote. I have it here. Disregard appearances, conditions. In fact, all evidence of your senses that deny the fulfillment of your desire. Disregard appearances, conditions, and all evidences of your senses that deny the fulfillment of your desire. So basically what he's telling you, if you encounter something in your external reality that you do not like, you stop associating with it. You do not start blaming yourself. Oh, what assumption of mine created this experience? What assumption of mine created this person to behave this way towards me? What you do is you totally stop associating with that experience. That as you basically tell yourself that, oh, this doesn't bother me, this is not me, I don't associate with this. Okay, in a way you feel very neutral about it. You are neutral about it. Okay, even if you acknowledge it, it makes you feel bad. You never blame yourself for creating it. You basically say that, oh, this is not my cup of tea, I don't want this, I don't associate with it. You disregard everything that does not, that basically tells you that you do not have your desire. You disregard everything that basically tells you that you cannot have your desire, you do not have your desire. So if you want, say presently your external reality shows you that you are poor. You don't blame yourself, oh, I've always thought myself to be a poor individual, that is why I live in poverty, this, that. You stop blaming yourself because that causes more poverty, more guilt, more blame. Instead you say, oh, that's okay, that's the past. I now feel really rich, abundant, successful, proud that I have my dream home, that I have XYZ amount of money in the bank, that I have my dream car, and I can afford to go on vacations and buy everything that I want. I feel really financially free and empowered because I now make XYZ amount of money per year, whatever. So you basically disregard everything that tells you that you do not have what you want. You do not, under any circumstances, blame yourself for it. A very good example that comes to mind is it's a really polarizing example about a really polarizing individual. So I remember that Donald Trump was once giving a press conference and somebody asked him a question that he did not like. At that time, he did not go that, oh my goodness, what assumption of mine has caused this reporter to ask me this question, and they are now going to quote me out of context and misinterpret everything that I say and make me look bad. He did not start freaking out, and he certainly did not blame himself for what happened. What he did was, you are fake news, no questions for you. Totally disregarding, totally not choosing to associate with whatever unpleasant event occurred in his reality. No questions for you. You are fake news. So it's not that, Alexa, stop. It's not that you have to like Donald Trump, but you can learn something from him. We can learn something from everybody. So, the thing is, whatever you do not like in your reality has no power. That is fake news. On the contrary, you persist in the belief, in the thought, in the assumption that you already have what you want. This is fake news. I have what I want. So all this poverty that you see around yourself is fake news. Because you know that you have what you want, you feel abundant, you feel rich, you feel wealthy, you feel financially free. That is precisely what you will create. So I hope that I have made myself very clear about you did not create all the nonsense, all the bullshit, all the crap, all the fucked up things in the world. You certainly did not do it. Stop blaming yourself for it. Because blaming yourself and feeling guilty does not help you to get rid of the problem. It's totally useless, totally futile. So I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please hit like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Best comment wins a free one-on-one session with me. I will announce the winners in my free Facebook group. Unleash the power within you. And remember that if I said it, I already did it. Thank you.